Okay. Are you able to see my screen?
Yeah, we can see it now. You can see it.
Yes, you can see it.
Yeah, it's clear.
You can see. No? You can see. You can see. Now, that day I told what SAP stands for. So, you are clear, no? What SAP stands for? S stands for system, A stands for application, and P stands for product. Okay. Now, I asked you what is a system that day. You remember?
Yes.
So, what is a system? What is a system? Okay, I'll just open up one notepad. One sec. I'll open up notepad. Okay. What does system mean? System means what? System which is running, which is having life. Life means which is running. Basically, I'm not telling organic life. I'm just telling life. That's all. And which is functional. System can be anything. Like it can be my laptop or this one, or your company. Company can also be a system. Anything which is functional, which is processing, which is going on. So it's functional. Now, system is dependent on what? On what all? So, system is dependent on resources, correct? What are the resources?
Yes, sir.
What are the different resources?
Mine
Very good.
Material.
material machinery.
Machinery. Correct. Important, no? Without this, our plant will not work. Our plant means where our company will not work. Without these three resources, our company is not going to work. Are you clear? Isn't it? Hello.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yeah.
we
So, yeah. So this without this, our company is not going to work. Now, this material machinery has to function in. It has to function based on time. Okay. Now, what is your time? What time your company? You have to go to your company. Tell me. What time you are supposed to be in your company? Plant in your
7 a.m.
What?
7.
7 a.m. 7 a.m. Okay. And what time you are coming back? Returning?
5 a.m.
5 a.m. 5 p.m.
5 p.m. 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. Correct? 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. Daily, yeah?
Yeah.
Yes.
And what about Saturday, Sundays?
Come again?
Oh, what?
No, Saturday, Sunday, you are having work or holiday?
No. Off day.
Exceptional.
Okay. Saturday, Sunday, it is off. Like, okay. Now, 7 a.m. tomorrow onwards, you start going at 10 a.m. Okay, and come back at 3. Is it okay?
No,
It's
it's
not
not
bad.
okay.
No. So if you are not as a manpower, you are supposed to be. You are a resource. You are supposed to be in the company in right time. So if you don't do in right time, you are spoiling a system. System is already built. Okay. Likewise, in your company, what is your company is producing? What is your product? Your company's product?
Energy.
Yes.
Energy. Oh, acha.
Yes.
Oh, I see. Okay. Very good. Electrical power.
Yes.
Mechanical.
Renewable energy.
Acha. No, what energy it is? Electrical
Okay.
energy.
No.
Liquefied natural gas.
Pardon?
Gas.
Liquefied natural
Acha,
gas.
petroleum. Oh, liquefied natural gas. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, very good. Yeah, very good. Super. Your company is very good, actually. Liquefied. What is the liquefied? What gas is that? Natural gas.
Okay. Methane.
Ethane. Oh,
Methane.
acha. Oh, acha. Okay, right. So you are producing that. Okay, right.
Yeah.
So that is some raw. What is the raw material for that?
The raw material are the hydrocarbons.
Pardon?
Hydrocarbons from crude oil.
Crude oil.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah,
Crude
yeah.
oil. Okay. Crude oil. Okay. Very good. Crude oil. Okay, right. If you don't get the crude oil in time, can you produce?
Not
If you
at
don't
all.
get the oil, you can't. So like that. So the material also has to come in time. Then the machinery has to start in time. Everything has to happen in time. So system is basically which is functional and which has to follow all this. Okay, now you tell me what is application. Application is short form of apps. Okay, I'll just highlight it.
Apps.
App means application. So you are having smartphone, all of you? Mobile, smartphone. You are having a smartphone with you?
Yes, yes.
Yes.
So all this smartphone will have a lot of applications. Google will be there, then Amazon app will be there, app, Google app, Amazon app, like that. You will have a lot of apps in your phone. Correct? In SAP also, there are plenty of applications out there. There are a lot of apps are there. So that actually what we are going to do, we are going to go there, we will do our work, we will save it, we'll come back again, we will retry. Means we'll go and again check up whether it is there or not and what is the use we can do. So SAP, that app is like an application, like where we go and do our job. Okay, now you told me in your company the product is liquefied natural gas, no? Something you told okay, so that is energy based product, correct? No? Correct, no? Hello?
Yes, sir. Correct.
Yeah. So here the product is this information. Here what is happening is this information, data, no? Data is nothing but information. If you see data is what is data? Information. Information is getting processed. Okay, information is getting processed and it is becoming a product. Information is getting processed and it is becoming a product. Okay, what is that product? Information. Information means data, basically data. The information is a data which is getting processed and it is becoming our important information. So in SAP, what will happen? Information is getting processed very systematically through application and final product is a complete information. Who will be using this information in a company? So there are three type of users. Okay. There are three type of users. Okay, here I will say in a company, SAP company, in an SAP company, there are three types of users. What are they? One is an end user. You are using SAP in your company?
Yes, I think some part
yes,
of it.
yes.
You are using, huh? Oh, very good. You are using SAP, no? Very good, very good. So you are using as an end user, correct? You are using as an end user.
Yeah, that's correct.
Yeah, you are all using as an end user.
The company is using it, but we are not using it.
Oh,
That's
Chacha,
why
you
we
are.
are end users.
Oh, you are not using. You are not using SAP.
Yeah.
Okay, but SAP is there in your company.
Yes.
Yes.
Oh, okay. No problem. So, in any company, normally, if it is not a SAP, there are two types of companies actually. One is I'll show you in my this one presentation. There is one normal company which is running SAP, and another company which is implementing SAP. So I will tell you as we go. We'll tell. So there are three type of user: end user, mid users. We say that super users. Okay, super user or power user. Okay, and third one is top management. So these three people will be using SAP in our company. Now you will be either end user or super user. But okay, you told you are not using. No, that's okay, no problem. Now what the top management? Why they are using SAP? To get that information. What is the information? Financial information, then company's asset information. All your machinery are assets in your company, like liquid asset, which is like the financial asset, and the solid asset. Solid asset is what your machinery is there, and manpower information. And they are using all the information which is available in SAP, and they are converting into business. Okay, SAP is used for improving your business. To say, what is your turnover for last year? Any idea?
What?
Turnover. Money. Total. How much you made last year? Turnover.
Okay.
No, in your company during this is now 2022 and 2023. The financial year is 2022. 2023, no, this year. What was the last year, 2021-22? What was the money you made in your company? Turnover.
We can't give that.
Nobody knows.
Oh, no, bro.
We can't. Yeah,
No,
we
don't.
can't give
No,
that.
don't.
This is-
Don't
We don't know
give.
it.
Don't give. Roughly. Say 1,000. Sorry, $10,000 million. Something like
Let's say
Okay.
$1 million.
Okay, rough. Okay, we'll say how much? $1 million. Okay, now 1 million, it will be 1 billion, it will not be 1 million, or more than 1 million. Okay, now if you have to improve from 1 million, how to do that? SAP will help you, isn't it? SAP is going to help your business growth. So SAP is a business software. That is very, very important. So you have to always keep in your mind, SAP is a business software. Correct? You understood?
Yes.
So SAP is a business software. All PM what we are learning is a business only. Very, very important. SAP is a very, very big important is SAP is a business software. Clear? This you are clear. Okay, now SAP started during the year 1972. 1972, there were 5 German employees. They were working for IBM. IBM, you know, no? IBM company. So they were working for IBM, and these people, they came out during 1972 and they started SAP. Okay. And from 1972 to 1980, it was R1, SAP R1. And in 1980, it became R2. And in 1992, it became SAP R3. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So it became R3. Yeah, R3. So what is R1? What is R? R means real time. Real time. I am teaching to you on real time. No? We both are sitting in real time. No? Correct? It is not a recorded one, direct live, no? It's a live one. So this is live means real time. In real time it's happening. You understood, no? Hello? You are able to understand what I am telling you?
Yes.
Yeah, so it is happening in real time. What is 1, 2, 3? 1 stands for single tier, 2 stands for 2 tier. The 3 means three tier. What are the 3 tier means? 3 layers. The software architecture is 3 layers. What are the 3 layers? Presentation layer, application layer, and database layer. So there are 3 layers in SAP architecture. So you can see here, presentation layer, okay, application layer, and database layer. Correct? So there are 3 layers. Okay, these 3 layers was actually earlier what happened, everything was together. Then they separated it out. So that is the reason now it is R3, 3 layers separated.
So
Yeah, tell me.
the 3 layers, does it mean that SAP R can be used as a presentation, as an application or database? Is that what it means?
Yeah, no, the presentation layer is what we interact with SAP. Presentation layer is a front end, like what we do. No, we directly go and we go to inside SAP. We'll go, so we'll be using the presentation layer. And in presentation layer, I told apps will be directly going to the application. But database layer you can't touch. It will be background. It will be in the backend. You can't touch that. The application will contact with the database. It will communicate with the database, and the database, the information will come. So these 3 layers are important in SAP. Very, very important. Always keep in your mind. There are 3 layers. Okay. Hello.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. You are clear?
Yeah. Clear.
Okay. Yeah. So now once SAP was developed in 1972, so the 5 Germans, this German right per Hop, Hans Werner Richter, Hasso Plattner, Klaus Schira, and we have Alan Rother. All these people were working in place known as Mannheim, Germany. And these people, once they developed SAP, they wanted to model this. Means they wanted to have a business model, software model. At that time, the software model, what was the software model? It was ERP. Have you heard this term, ERP? Have you heard this term? Hello?
Yes.
You heard this term, ERP? You heard it?
Yes.
Okay, right. So ERP means Enterprise Resource Planning. What does enterprise mean? What do you mean by enterprise?
It's
is an organizational.
different type of organizations.
Yeah.
Yeah, very good, very good, very
Talks
good.
about the
Yes,
organizational structure.
yes, yes, yes. Very good, very good, very good. So enterprise means organization. So I will write down like this: organizational or organized,
And non-organization.
organized and unorganized structure. Okay, yours is an organized structure. Where you are working is an organized structure. Why
Yes.
it is organized? Why it is organized? All the resources, men, material, machinery, they are utilizing in time. Everything happens in time, systematic. Men, then material, and machinery is utilized in very systematically in time, in proper time, within time. Okay, so that is the reason it is very organized. Everything happens in time. Everything, see, men, material, machinery, everything. I told no when I was explaining systematic. So that time. Okay,
Yes.
unorganized structure is a small business houses, small hotel, or
non-organized structure.
Pardon?
I said that small business,
Small,
non-organized.
yes. Small business houses. Today will be there, tomorrow will be vanished. Today night it will be standing, and tomorrow morning when you come, it will not be there. So small business houses, and which will not be utilizing. They are not utilizing this men machine, material machinery. All this they will not be utilizing properly. They will not be systematic. So those are unorganized structure. But why SAP wanted organized and unorganized? Because in European countries, unorganized structure do very well. They do very good money. They do in a lot of money. They do $1 million, billion they do. Because all your BMW car vendors and all manufacturing that car vendors all are unorganized sector. In Swiss also, Swiss is Swiss is famous for watches, wrist watches. So those watch company also, if you go to one place known as Besançon in Swiss and France border, it is there. There in every house they'll make watch. You know that in everyone's house they are making watches, and that watches will be very costly, millions of dollars that watch. So that is the reason they are unorganized structure, but SAP wanted to include that also. Okay, so enterprise is that. What are the resources? What are the three resources? Men, material, machinery. Now you all have come to study what? What is your SAP? Which this one you are studying module? Or you are studying plant maintenance? No, correct? No.
Yes.
Yeah. For plant maintenance, out of these three resources, which resources is important?
Is machinery.
Very good. So machinery is important for PM, correct? Plant maintenance, correct? Now, very important, this machinery. So we will be studying more on machinery and its relationship with the material, with everywhere. So that is what we are going to study in our this one. So what all we are going to study, I will show you. I will check up. I'm not having that presentation. One second. Just give me 1 moment. I'll open that presentation. 1 minute. Oh, this thing. 1 second. Just give me a moment. I'll open the presentation. Okay, yeah, it's here. So I'll just come. I'll show you. Okay, right. See here, what all we will be studying in plant maintenance, because that is a resource for us. That's very important. So we will be studying something like the first we will be studying about the technical objects. You are aware of functional locations, all of you?
Yes.
You are aware of functional location. You are aware of equipment?
Yes.
Functional location is
Yes.
Okay. What is a functional location defined?
That is the site where you have the
Equipment are located.
Very good, excellent, super. Okay, then equipment we'll be studying, and material master. Material master will be studying about the material, very, very important, because this material can be a spare material which is used for your functional location, means which will be used in your equipment or work centers. So work center, what is a work center? Any idea?
Work center.
Yeah.
A work center can be where the machines,
Very good. Very, very
yeah,
good.
can
Excellent.
be found.
Excellent. 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 You are right. Work center is a machine or a group of machines, a person or a group of people. Anything. Person also sometimes is a work center. If it is a very skilled work, no? Very skilled work, you have to, the person himself becomes a work center. You understood? So then task list. Task list, see what are the tasks we are going to do in our plant maintenance work. So those tasks has to be listed out and it has to be carried out. So that I'll be coming to that. Then there will be a lot of measuring points in a particular equipment or work centers. So those things. Then we'll have warranties on the work centers or equipment. Then permit, who is allowed to work for that particular machine. So those things I'll be teaching you. Then catalogs also. Catalog we have to make for a work center. Then, are you aware of characteristics, class and classification?
Yes.
So those things, yeah. Tell me, what is a character?
A character is like in an equipment where the main plate is attached to the equipment, shows you so many information on the about the equipment in terms of pressure, in terms of temperature, in terms of pressure rating, and other important information.
Very good, excellent, Mustafa. Super. Very, very good. You are absolutely right. Correct. You are absolutely right. So we'll be studying on characters, class, and classification. So technical object is the main thing. It is the main. It will consist of almost 50% of our full PM, no, plant maintenance SAP will consist of almost 50%. Will be almost 50% will be doing this only. Very, very important. 50% of our course content is based on this only. Okay, 50% is this. Then we'll be going to the breakdown maintenance. The breakdown means when the maintenance people are called when the machine is under breakdown. At that time, what are the different methodology? Notification will come, how to address a notification, maintenance order. So all those things we'll be taking care in the breakdown maintenance. Then preventive maintenance. What is preventive maintenance? Yeah.
Okay, a preventive maintenance
Yeah.
can be said to be the measure taken to maintain the ID condition of a technical object.
Very good.
Yeah.
Very good. Very good.
So,
Very good. Okay. So preventive maintenance is the prevention. Like the machine should not go into a breakdown because critical machines. So during our spare time, like when the company is not working, for example, Saturdays, Sundays, we can take for preventive maintenance. So that we'll do the preventive maintenance for that. So the machine should not go into a breakdown condition. So that one. Okay. What is a refurbishment? What do you mean by refurbishment? Of spare parts, but basically spare parts. Any idea?
It's to refurbishment of spare cars is to take out some parts of the equipment that needs to be changed just to prolong the span. To be able to use it for another more years or duration.
Okay. Refurbishment is putting back into this one. If a particular spare parts is not usable or it has gone bad, I mean we are not able to use it. We are refurbishing. It means we are putting back into place now. We are going to rework on that. We are going to do the. I mean, we are going to do the machining or any other activities where we'll put it back this one. If suppose a equipment is not functioning because of some instrument or something, so that instrument can be changed and it has to be put back into place so that again it starts working. So those things are refurbishment. The calibration, you know very well. Calibration, you are aware. You are doing calibrations, no?
yes.
What is calibration?
Oh, so calibration
Yeah,
is ensuring that the
yeah,
equipment is at the OEM OEM specific how do I put it?
yeah.
Is working according to OEM specification.
Standard,
Correct,
yes.
correct, correct. It has to be working as per the standards. Calibration has to be calibration. Why we do for the equipment or any of the instrument? Why means it should not have any variations. We should always have a specific time, because over a period of time, if suppose there is a temperature measurement instrument, the temperature measurement error allowed is say plus or minus 0.5 degree, but over a period of time it becomes more, so that we should calibrate and bring it back. So it should work as per a standard. As a standard, we should always have a standard. With that standard we have to calibrate. So that is calibration. So in this we'll be studying like one sec. Okay. So we'll be studying about this one. So we'll have first core. This one is we'll have an organizational structure. So there will be this one will be going or will be creating plant. This is see organization structure is not directly related to plant maintenance, but we have to know how a organization business perspective. You know, so basically SAP is a business software. I told you in beginning. I told you that SAP is basically a business software. So we have to learn how a plant functions, how a company functions. What is a plant? What is a planning plant? What is a maintenance planning plant? And there is a relationship between different things. So company will come, company code will come, all codings will do the backend configuration. Here also, when we are doing here, if you see, no, this one. Here, all this technical object, I'll be teaching you the backend configurations. Hello.
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah, I'll be teaching you the backend configuration. Then I'll be teaching you the front end also. The backend will complete, then we'll come to the front end. So all those things we'll be doing in the backend and front end also. So backend configuration means we'll go to SAP inside and the backend level and we'll do the configuration. Here also, when we start, the entire plant will be constructing a plant in the backend. Backend will be creating a plant. Plant, company code, planning plant. Then purchasing organization also is there. That also will come because we'll be purchasing some spare parts. So our relationship with the purchasing organization also will be there. You understood? Okay, so then afterwards we'll go to technical objects. All technical objects, whatever we have listed, all technical objects, the backend configuration, the front end, everything, I'll be teaching you. How to do the backend for that, how to create a functional technical object, all those things one by one, I'll be completing it. Hello? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then we'll go to the this one. A technical objects, so many technical objects are there, you can say. Function, location, equipment, material master, bills of material. Bill of material. What is a bill of material? What is a bill of
It's a list
material?
of all the materials you need to do your job.
All the materials you need for that particular product or for that particular equipment. For example, I will take one example like duster. You have duster, you know what is a duster, no? Whiteboard
Yes.
or blackboard duster. So duster will have what all parts will be there in duster?
Now the plastic,
Plastic
the
and
wiper,
The gum, the
the
wooden,
gum.
the wood.
Gum, correct. Gum,
Yeah.
plastic, gum, and foam. Foam,
Foam,
not
yeah.
top, that cotton or foam. So those are bill of material. For making duster, what all I need? I need plastic, I need, or wood also is okay. Wood or glue and the foam. So all those things we have to, that is a bill of material. So we'll have in two areas, function location bill of material and equipment bill of material. So that also I'll be teaching you more. Then work centers, then task lane, measuring point, all this I'll be covering, warranties, permits, maintenance items and plans. All this completely I'll be telling about the technical object will take almost 1 month. Our teaching, no, technical object is very, very big. Hello.
Yeah.
Yes.
Very,
Yes.
yeah, and I'll be giving task to you. You should perform that in SAP and come back. You should show me.
Okay.
Mr. Mustafa and others, all these things, everyone, no? You have to, I'll be giving task to you. So please come back with your task.
No problem.
And I will ask you to create organization structure. I'll be asking you to create material master. I'll be asking you to create function location. You should come back. You should show me. Is it
Okay.
okay? Is it okay?
Good.
Yeah, good.
Good.
Good. I will be monitoring whether you are doing or not. I'll be seeing that. Okay, then
Okay.
we'll go to the next page.
Can I ask something?
Pardon?
Yeah, I want to ask. We're going to be given access to the server, right?
No, I didn't. One sec. I'll just come. Yeah, please tell again. Please tell again.
I said, are we going to be given access to the SAP server?
You have to be given. Otherwise, how it will be possible? You have to be given.
Okay.
You have to be given the server. Otherwise, how you will practice?
Okay.
So that is the reason I have to talk to Anuja now. Tomorrow we should need the server. Tomorrow onwards. For tomorrow class, now we have done the theoretical. I have to go to practical tomorrow. No? So I need server. Without server, how I will do? And you will also has to be given. I'll talk to Anuja now.
Okay, fine.
I'll talk to Anuja. Then I will ask her to provide server by tomorrow.
Okay, fine. Thank you.
Okay, right. So then we'll have this preventive maintenance and breakdown maintenance, all those things. We'll be doing it. So if you see, notification and maintenance orders, all notification type, and everywhere the cost will also become cost. How much cost for the maintenance activity? See, cost settlement, everything will be. I'll be teaching you. All entire configuration I'll be teaching you. The cost, including cost, how the notification is generated, what are the different notification type, how it is converted into maintenance order, how the order is. You know TECO, no? TECO, you know?
TECO, no.
TECO means technical completion. TECO, TECO, that's all, technical completion. So TECO has to be there. So once we complete the order, then the cost also should get settled. Same thing for, same thing. You have not heard TECO? Okay, no problem. It's okay. No problem.
No, we've
okay,
not.
That is a SAP. That is a SAP word. That's a SAP word. Probably in your this one you might not have, but SAP. That is a SAP word. Then for the preventive maintenance, same thing. What are the task lists for the preventive maintenance? And we have to have a reporting system also at a document level, logistics, and all those things we'll have. I'll also show you the backend configuration for that and the front end. Everything I'll be showing. So entire thing I'll be teaching you. Don't worry. And configurations, a lot of configuration, then calibration. Calibration is not mentioned here. Calibration also I'll be covering. Okay, so this I have completed the introduction. Any doubts on this? Any doubts?
I think I'm good.
Yeah, tell me.
No doubt.
You are able to understand my voice, no? No problem, no? Hello? You are able to understand my voice? Yeah. Am I fast or okay for you? This speed is okay?
Yes, the speed is okay.
It's okay.
Okay. In case if you feel I'm going fast, please tell me. I'll slow down. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank
Now,
you.
Now Mr. Rakwe has come. Please, Rakwe, please introduce yourself.
I've been around since. Just that my computer was giving me issues.
Okay. Another thing. Everyone, please join with your laptop. Everyone is having laptop, no? Don't join with smartphone. Someone is joined with Galaxy A20. So don't do that.
Yeah. I'm the one. My system giving me issue. I will join with my laptop.
Laptop or desktop or whatever it is, because that is better. You will otherwise the screen that your screen will be very 6 inches screen. So this is around So that will be different to the difference will be there. So you will not understand. Okay, so today we'll complete here. Tomorrow we'll start with the practicals. There also a lot of theory I have to tell you. Then we'll start. Okay. Hello. Today was just introduction. So tomorrow onwards we'll start the class fully. The practical. I need server for that. I will talk to Anuja. I'll tell her to provide the server. Okay.
Okay, Mr. Madam, can I ask? Are we going to have material for this? Are we going to have material to read on?
Material. Material, I will send it. I will send the material. Material, I will send it. Okay. I'll send to you. Don't worry. But after some time, some 3 or 4 classes, no. Suddenly, if you start reading that, you will not understand what I'm telling. So that
Yeah,
difference will come.
that's correct.
Okay, some 3-4 class. At least 1 week. After 1 week, I'll be sending the material. Lot of things I'll be sending. Don't worry. Those things you don't worry at all. I'll be sending.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. Thank you.
Okay, then have a good day. Nice day you have. Bye then.
Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you
Yeah,
for your time.
thanks a lot. Thanks a lot to everyone.
Okay.
Bye then. Have a nice day.
Razak,
Bye.
Yeah.
I beg
Bye
no
then.
go. Just wait. Let me test my computer. Let me and you talk, okay?
Okay.
Okay, no problem. But everyone join with your computer only, laptop.
Yes.
Thank you.
Tomorrow onwards, don't miss the class. Join with your laptop. Okay.
All right. Thank you.